The legacy of Genghis Khan, his descendants and genetic heritage. Or, how many kids did Genghis Khan have, and is his DNA still alive? Introduction. Genghis Khan, a name that resonates through history, was a visionary conqueror who forged one of the largest empires the world has ever seen. Born in the rugged landscapes of Mongolia in the 12th century, he rose from humble beginnings to become the founder and leader of the Mongol Empire. His military brilliance, unmatched leadership, and an appetite for conquest led to a sprawling empire that stretched from Asia to Europe, forever altering the course of history. But Genghis Khan's legacy extends far beyond the empires he built and the lands he conquered. In this video, we journey into the fascinating realm of his family life and the intriguing mysteries surrounding his descendants. Just as his empire left a mark on the map, Genghis Khan's genetic legacy has left an imprint on the very DNA of numerous individuals across the globe. Genghis Khan's family life. In the heart of his sprawling empire, he maintained a polygamous lifestyle, customary in Mongol society. He married several women, each union often driven by political and strategic considerations. Yet, among his many marriages, his principal wife, Bort, held a special place. Her story, encompassing a dramatic abduction and rescue, exemplifies the intrigue and complexity of Genghis Khan's personal life. Understanding Genghis Khan's family life also requires a broader examination of the historical context of family structures during the Mongol Empire. Mongol society was marked by a nomadic and tribal way of life, where clans and familial ties played a vital role in the organization of power and loyalty. This context influenced Genghis Khan's marriages, alliances, and the roles his children would play in the empire's future. The mystery of Genghis Khan's descendants. Genghis Khan's legacy, both historical and genetic, is shrouded in mystery. And at the heart of this enigma lies the uncertainty surrounding the exact number of his offspring. The historical records from his era, while invaluable, are often fragmented and incomplete, leaving historians and researchers to piece together the puzzle of his family tree. Accounts from various historical sources offer conflicting information about the number of children Genghis Khan fathered. Some chronicles suggest that he had an extensive count, befitting a man of his status and influence. Others present a more conservative count. The absence of a comprehensive and reliable record of his family life adds to the intrigue. The genetic connection. The genetic legacy of Genghis Khan transcends historical records and narratives, thanks to the remarkable discovery of a specific Y chromosomal haplotype closely associated with him. This genetic marker, known as the Genghis Khan haplotype, has become a crucial tool in tracing his male line descendants. 1. Y chromosomal haplotype. The Y chromosomal haplotype associated with Genghis Khan is a distinctive genetic signature found on the Y chromosome, which is passed down from father to son. This particular haplotype represents a unique combination of genetic markers and mutations specific to Genghis Khan and his paternal lineage. 2. Tracing Malay line descendants. The Y chromosome is particularly valuable for tracing male line ancestry because it remains largely unchanged as it is passed from one generation to the next. This means that the Genghis Khan haplotype, once identified, can be used to track the descendants who share this genetic marker. This scientific breakthrough has opened up new avenues for understanding the extent of Genghis Khan's genetic influence. By analyzing the Y chromosomes of individuals from regions historically connected to the Mongol Empire, geneticists have been able to identify individuals who carry the Genghis Khan haplotype. These individuals, often separated by many generations from their famous ancestor, provide a tangible link to Genghis Khan's lineage, illuminating the enduring impact of his genetic legacy. One of the most remarkable findings is the geographic distribution of the Genghis Khan haplotype. Studies have revealed its prevalence in Central Asia, particularly among populations with historical ties to the Mongol Empire, However, the genetic legacy of Genghis Khan extends far beyond the Mongolian steppe, with evidence of this haplotype found in surprising places around the world. While it's impossible to provide an exact count of Genghis Khan's descendants, genetic research has offered estimations. Some studies suggest that millions of men around the world may carry the Genghis Khan haplotype in their Y chromosomes, reflecting the astonishing reach of his genetic legacy. Beyond Genghis Khan's individual legacy, this research has enriched our understanding of population genetics and the ways in which genetic markers can spread over time. It highlights the complex interplay between historical events, migrations, and genetic diversity in shaping the genetic makeup of modern populations. As we journey through the scientific landscape of Genghis Khan's genetic legacy, it becomes clear that this remarkable story extends far beyond the pages of history books. It is a testament to the enduring impact of a single individual on the genetic tapestry of humanity, offering a unique perspective on the interplay between genetics, history, and culture, debates and controversies. While the genetic legacy of Genghis Khan has captured the imagination of scientists and historians alike, it has also sparked debates and controversies within the scientific community. One of the central debates revolves around the magnitude of Genghis Khan's genetic impact. While some studies suggest that millions of men worldwide carry the Genghis Khan haplotype, others argue that attributing such a vast influence to a single individual may oversimplify the complex dynamics of genetic inheritance and population genetics. Critics point to the role of genetic drift and population bottlenecks in shaping the prevalence of the Genghis Khan haplotype. These processes can lead to the amplification of certain genetic markers by chance, potentially exaggerating the extent of Genghis Khan's genetic influence. Some researchers propose that while Genghis Khan may have played a significant role, other historical figures and events might have contributed to the genetic landscape observed today. This perspective emphasizes the need for a more nuanced understanding of population genetics. Beyond genetics, scholars debate the cultural and historical factors that have influenced the spread of the Genghis Khan haplotype. Migration patterns, social structures, and intercultural interactions also play a role in shaping the genetic makeup of populations. As the scientific community continues to grapple with these debates and controversies, our understanding of Genghis Khan's genetic legacy evolves. While the Genghis Khan haplotype offers a unique window into history, it is a piece of a broader puzzle that encompasses genetics, culture, and human migration. Conclusion: in tracing the legacy of Genghis Khan, we have embarked on a journey through history, genetics, and the enduring impact of a legendary figure. Here, we summarize the key points uncovered in this exploration of Genghis Khan's descendants and genetic heritage, and reflect on the profound and lasting legacy he has left upon the world. Throughout this article, we have uncovered the complex tapestry of Genghis Khan's family life and the mystery that surrounds the number of his offspring. The enigma of his descendants is further illuminated by the discovery of the Genghis Khan haplotype, a unique genetic marker found on the Y chromosome. This genetic connection has provided a tangible link to Genghis Khan's male line descendants and offered insights into the scope of his genetic influence. Scientific research has played a pivotal role in unraveling this genetic legacy, revealing its prevalence in populations worldwide, especially in regions historically connected to the Mongol Empire. However, ongoing debates persist within the scientific community, challenging the extent of Genghis Khan's genetic impact and emphasizing the importance of considering alternative theories and perspectives. Genghis Khan's legacy extends far beyond the pages of history books. His military conquests reshaped the geopolitical landscape of Asia and Europe, leaving an indelible mark on the course of human events. Simultaneously, his genetic legacy has woven a thread of connection through diverse populations worldwide, reflecting the enduring influence of one of history's most formidable leaders. Genghis Khan's story serves as a testament to the interplay between genetics and history, reminding us that the past is not only written in books, but also encoded in our very DNA. Whether as a conqueror or a genetic ancestor, Genghis Khan's legacy continues to shape our understanding of the world, highlighting the intricate ways in which individuals and their actions can reverberate through time and leave an imprint on the tapestry of human history.